Good morning, guys. I just got out of bed, and the only reason I got out of bed is to go to McDonald's. Your girl is starving, like so hungry, and Tamla, I blame you for this. We were texting this morning and she was talking about her going to McDonald's, and now I'm going to McDonald's. So I wanted to bring y'all all along. I didn't go to the gym this morning because I had a video that needed to go up. So I'm going to go this afternoon with Cody when he gets off. And yeah, I'm so hungry, guys. I haven't had a shower. I was gonna jump in the shower and Tamla was like, girl, it was super bright right now. You don't have to do that. You don't have to get ready. You just go. So what am I doing? I am getting ready to go. So I am going to get off here. Let me hold y'all while I back up. Okay, so I'm gonna get off and drive so I don't wreck, and I will see y'all at McDonald's.
Can I help you?
Yes, ma'am. Can I get a sausage, egg, and cheese with no biscuit, and then an extra piece of sausage?
You said a sausage, egg, and cheese with no biscuit?
Yes, ma'am.
And what else?
And an extra piece of sausage.
Okay.
And that'll be it.
$3.93.
Thank you. She always makes me feel like I don't know how to order, but I am. Okay, I'm gonna pay and then I will show y'all what it looks like when I get home. Guys, I am home now and I'm like starving because it smells so good. But this is what it looks like. They normally put it in a little box, so I'm happy that they put it in this container. But I'm just gonna put the sausage on top and make it a little breakfast sandwich. And this is what I ordered. The sausage, egg, cheese, biscuit, no biscuit, and then I did an extra piece of sausage. It was only $3, so $3.93 if you want to be exact with taxes and all that. So super yummy. I'm about to eat this, watch some YouTube videos, and then get ready. As I am super hungry, so I think I'm going to make some taco salad. I have another thing of ground beef I need to eat, and it is 2:01. I've been busy dealing with health stuff. I haven't even gotten ready for the day, so I'm not going to show you my face because I look gross, but I need to drink my L-carnitine as well. I'm almost out, as you can tell. I have like probably like that much left. So I'm going to drink this and make some taco salad. Y'all know what this looks like because I've already included it. So I'll include a picture of what it looks like or a video of when it's done. But I'm gonna make this food real quick because I am starving. And Mr. Cooper thinks it smells good too. Okay guys, lunch is done. Yes, it looks very gross because of the avocado. But I put the quesadilla cheese on today's taco salad just to give it a little bit of different taste. And now I'm about to eat and watch some YouTube videos. This looks and smells delicious. Okay guys, I am sitting in bed having a afternoon snack. My favorite, strawberries and cream cheese dip or cheesecake dip. And I am watching a Mary-Kate and Ashley movie. I forget the name of it, but it's where one of them's at camp and like the foster care system. If you know what movie it is, let me know about down below, but that's what I'm watching and having a little afternoon snack. Okay guys, it is much later and I am eating a Domino's pizza. I'm gonna eat all of the pepperonis and cheese off of it and then give the crust to my husband. But the pizzas were 50% off and I think they're still 50% off, so if you got the email. So I'm going to eat this delicious pizza with some Milo's Splenda tea and watch some Hawaii Five-0.